Hello friend, this video is dedicated for all employee working in organization here where the businessman as businessman is also associated with different people. Every person is human being and want peace of his her life. It may be boss, it may be subordinate. Everybody want to enjoy their personal as well as professional life. However, due to some specific bosses, they found stress in their life. Employee not leaving the organization. Employee is leaving the bosses. There is no organization is bad and good. The organization culture decide the organization is good or bad. And for the culture development more responsible of the bosses. They are in the good positions. Here the more responsibility goes to the management to train the bosses to convert them as a good leader. How we can say this company culture is good, this company culture is bad? If the employee comes to the office with happiness, not to compulsion, it means the culture is good. When employee go back to the house, he enjoys the life with the family. He didn't take any stress from the office. It means the culture of the office is good. So friends, now today we will discuss what is the main difference between bosses and leader. So let's begin to the video. He is the boss. So what boss is? मैं हूँ बॉस पूरे ऑफिस में अपना डंका जिसकी चाहूँ जला दूं लंका. You listen everybody. बॉस हैं ऑफिस के डैडी. कभी न लेना बॉस से पंगा तो जीवन होगा चंगा चंगा. ये हैं हमारे बॉस. Bosses, are you guys stupid? And you all must do what I say. But leader says, let's discuss and share the ideas to conclude. Boss say I did. When any achievement done by the team, boss always says I did this. He want to take all the credit. But when any mistake is happen, he say you did this mistake. He did this mistake. He didn't want to take the responsibility of the mistake. But what leader says? Leader always say, we achieve the target. Team did good job. If any error is happen, any mistake is happen, he take the responsibility of that mistake. Boss is authority. However, the leadership is behavior and skill. So boss is based on designation. Like if you are manager, your supervisor, your CEO of the company, that all are the authority. So boss is come with authority. However, the leadership is behavior. If you see the group of child is playing somewhere and the one child is demonstrating how to play the game, it means he having the leadership quality. So leadership quality doesn't want authority. Boss can be by birth. Like if you have honor of the company and your child is also become as a honor of the company. However, but he cannot be leader. Leader only one made. So leader is skill that can be come with lot of practices. Boss comments, you did this, but however, the leader asks, please do it. We have to do it this way. Boss point finger. Leader extend hands. Boss always says, you should do this, you mistake. But leader say, come forward, we'll achieve this goal. Boss say go. He didn't want to do anything. He want to be give all the things and let you to do all the job. Leader say, we have to be work together and achieve the goal. Boss say no for idea. He didn't accept any idea. Leader always consider good ideas. Boss put you down, use people, abuse people. He want always try to be see your error, see your mistake and highlight in the presence of so many people. He want you should be put to the down. But leader cares the people. He want to grow, people has to be grow and he teach them to improve the people. Boss always react and blame to others. Leader they work toward problem solving. They differentiate between people. They differentiate between people based on their languages, based on their color, based on from where they came to the organization. It may be from different places. Leader they radiate positive energy. Boss not approachable, they show they are busy. If you want to be discussed with them, they say please come afterward and they didn't give the time. Leader, they are approachable. Boss don't take strong decisions, they are always confused what has to be done. Leader, they are decisive. Boss always expect to others. They didn't want to do anything. They want everything has to be done by others. And they didn't have knowledge for that also. Leader, they do what they expect to others. First they do it, then they explain how to do it. So friends, I believe you like this video. If you like this video, please share to other people. Subscribe the channel if you not subscribed. Thanks for watching this channel.